Today, we students, we are going to give a test of lesson first. So let's start. It gives us 25 minutes. So let's start. And 25 questions is there. So first question: which of the following is a combination reactions? As you know that combination reaction in those reactions in which two elements combine to make one compound. So option B is right. Which of the following represent a double displacement reaction in which ions get exchanged? So option C is totally right. So now question number third is which of the following displacement reactions? Displacement reaction. So in which oxygen and hydrogen get exchanged. So I think option D is right. So the reaction H2 plus Cl2 equal to Cl is a which type of reaction? It is a combination reactions. So which of the following is a decomposition reactions? Decomposition reaction in which a compound split into two. So according to that, option C is right. Which of the following statement is incorrect? In oxidation, oxygen is added to a substance. In reduction, hydrogen is added to a substance. Oxidizing agent is oxidized. Is oxidized. So option D is correct. Incorrect. Which of the following is a combustion reactions? Boiling of water, melting of wax, burning of petrol. So option C is right. A chemical equation is said to be balanced if the number of compounds are same in both sides, molecules are same in both sides, number of atoms in the same on both sides. So option C is right. So we know that in the chemical reaction nothing get exchanged. Which statement is correct about the following reactions? ZnOCO. ZnO is being reduced. So option C is right. The reaction C plus O2 CO2 plus heat is a exothermic reaction in which heat is going to be reabsorbed. Conversion of CaCO3 into a CaO as per following reactions is an example of decomposition reactions. Fe2O3 plus L2O3, this reaction is an example of displacement reactions. In reactions SO2 plus H2S equal to H2O plus 3S, the reducing agent is SO2. An element X on exposure to moist air turns reddish brown and a new compound Y is formed. The substance X and Y is. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron flakes? Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. No reaction takes place. Iron salt and water produce hydrogen gas and iron chloride are formed. When iron nails are added to aqueous solution of copper sulfate, a chemical change occurs. When an iron nails are added to aqueous solution of copper sulfate, which of the following is not true about the reactions? Blue color of the solution fades. Iron nails becomes brownish in color. It is displacement reactions. Iron nails dissolves completely. Some crystals of copper sulfate were dissolved in water. The color of solution obtained would be brown. The color of zinc metal is which of the following will be required to identify the gas above when the dilute hydrochloric is HCl plus Zn. HCl then plus zinc, then red litmus solution. Can we store CuSO4 in iron container and why? No, because Cu is more reactive than iron. Which of the following is the incorrect method of preventing rusting? The iron articles should be painted. Iron articles should be covered with plastic. PbI2 is red in color, gray in color, green in color, yellow in color. So option, according to that question, option B is right. The element or compound which undergoes reduction is. The element or compound which undergoes reduction is reducing agent. Which of the following is not an example of chemical change? Rusting of oil, milk changes to curd, digestion of food in a body, changing of water to water vapor. So which is not a chemical reactions? According to chemical reaction, changing of water to water vapor is not a chemical change because it is a physical change. Na plus H2O plus is what could be the come in the place of A, B, C and it balance the equations. Na, then Na H2 H3 4 H going to H4, then B equal to 4, and this option B is right. So this test is completed, so we are going to see the result of this question, whatever the test we have given. So let's start. I think more than 50% will be correct, so let's see what happened. Submit, then say what is the result coming. What so 45% I've got
by 100
out of 100. It's my first chance. So thank you for this video. Please subscribe it, and whatever the question that we have gone wrong,
like and share.
try to solve it by yourself, and I will take care of that incorrect questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please go into my channel, subscribe to her, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you.